This is my 2014 Mustang. Sorry, hold on a second. It may not look like much, and that's because it's not, but it is mine. I've had it for about 6 years now, and it's been nothing but 100% reliable to me. Driven over 100,000 miles in it. It now has over 200,000 miles, and we're gonna have to fix it today. I don't know how, because I don't have a jack, and I don't have jack stands. I don't have an impact gun. I don't have a torque wrench. You know, but it might be easier to just list the things that I do have. I do have a concrete pad to do the work on. That's good. That's a positive. It's shaded. Oh, and I've got the dedication to do it. So we're gonna do it. What is it, you might ask? What are we fixing? Curbs are not to be taken lightly. If I had my way, whoever invented the curb needs to meet one in the face at some point. Because I don't like them. I don't like curbs. I really don't. I'll show you why. So we're gonna go through a couple of things on this car. A, it is my car. I own this car. It is paid off completely. I've had it for about 6 years, like I said, and it's a V6. All right, it just is. It's what I could afford at the time. It's great on gas. It's an automatic. Fine. If you really want to be upset about it, be upset. But it's been fine. Don't worry about that. We'll come back to that later. There are a lot of problems with this car. A, the top leaks a lot. It leaks a lot. There's cuts and dings and scrapes all over the thing. I washed it 2 weeks ago, and it looks like it's just been dumped by a dry cement truck. Windshield completely gone, needs to be completely replaced. There's no fixing this. It's just there's thousands and thousands of imperfections in the glass. That needs to go. Like I said, I got dents, I got scrapes. Body panels aren't exactly aligned properly due to a Jeep. That's fine. That's not on there all the way. That's there now. It's just, it's imperfect. It's not clean. It's certainly not a show car, but it is mine. I'm the only one that drives it, which means I'm the one that did this. Through no fault of my own, I might add. No fault, none at all. It's held air for about 4 days now. It's been sitting here in this parking lot, and it wobbles. It wobbles bad. I mean, it's not like, it's not undrivable, but I can't brake like 30 or 40. Can't really brake it. But we're gonna drive it home about 8.5 miles or so from here, and we're gonna replace that axle because it's a dual axle system. We're gonna replace that axle. We're gonna take that axle out and replace all the bearings, new grease, new everything. Differential is gonna be rebuilt. I'm gonna rebuild the 8.8 Ford that's in there. I'm gonna do all the work myself. I've got some cinder blocks I'm gonna put it up on because jack stands are $200. So, like I said, it's not perfect, but it's mine. And I'm gonna take care of it because she's taking care of me. So, like I said, she's a bit dirty. She's not exactly the cleanest. The steering wheel is basically gone, but don't mind the alternator squeal. pretty good all in all. Exhaust is a pipes mid-pipe muffler, resonator really is the technical definition. Cat back exhaust. It's like the cheapest you can get on the market, but the cool thing about it is it's got the basalt insulation, which means it takes all of the highs out of the exhaust note. Sounds pretty good. I genuinely don't know if this is going to make it home. I'm not going to say I hope I make it home, because I have to make it home. And if you say you hope for something, that implies that you're going to fail. Or that there is a possibility of failure. Right? That disc is not happy. Straight up not happy. My alignment is messed up too. I'm about 1.5 degrees, maybe 2 degrees to the left. That was not like that. Ooh, did you hear that? Something popped. I think that was the brakes. I think I'm leaking air in that tire. No, we're good. Looks fine anyway. It's probably low, but I'm not like flat. So I think we'll be okay. At least to get home. Sounds good, except when it doesn't. Those brake pads and that rotor are toast as well. Just rubbing the crap out of it now. But no check engine light, and I'm not overheating, so that's positive. No, it's okay. You just take your time. Sir? Oh, he didn't have a green light. I am the dumb. That kid's told me like 4 times. He likes my car when I pull out. Little does he know. Ooh. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, yeah. The wheel, the tire is like malforming. It is so hot. I mean, I can't really see anything from here, but it's definitely hotter than it needs to be. That's what we're gonna crack into here pretty quick. The good thing is, it doesn't appear anything else is busted. I definitely scraped this piece a little bit. I don't know what that covers. That's a little scraped up. It looks like the body panel might be a little messed up here. But the exhaust mounts are good. The sway bar linkage, panhard bar, all that looks fine. There's no bushings out of place. I mean, you can definitely tell that right there is not supposed to be like that. Right about there, there's no grease or grime or dirt. That's just new metal that's been knocked out of its place. So there might be some adjustments that we have to make, but I mean, all in all, considering what happened, I'd say we got off pretty scot-free. It could have been so much worse. I'm gonna try tonight to get this thing up off the ground. I'm gonna loosen all the lug nuts real quick. I have I have the jack that came with the car. I can put that under there, pop it up a little bit, and then put some cinder blocks down on the frame rails, and then I'll do the same with the front. That way I'll have all four corners off the ground, because I'm going to need to replace the axle and probably rebuild the diff if it's damaged, and then I'm also getting new wheels because of this. And as you can see, I've got coilovers on here. The tire just kind of goes inside the wheel well. The wheels I want aren't going to do that, so I'm going to need to raise the car about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and to do that I got to take the wheels off and adjust the coilovers that I've got. So I'm gonna have to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it all in one go, so I don't have to do it twice and figure that out. But yeah, pretty disappointed all around. I mean, again, it could have been a lot worse than what it is, but you know, you live and learn. I'll probably be taking it easy for a while once I get it back up and running, and you know, building character, that's what we're doing here. I've barely started. I'm already rethinking my life decisions. But it's fine, because it's starting to rain as well. I'm gonna kill my...